How to remove Gmail account on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how can you remove Gmail account on Facebook. So let's get started. First, as you have to open Facebook app with your account. After you open Facebook, you will get this type of interface. From here, at the bottom right, tap on menu. From the menu section, at the top right corner, tap on settings. From Settings and Privacy, tap on Account Center. From your Account Center, tap on Personal Details. And from here, simply tap on the option Contact Info at the first one. From here, simply you can know your Gmail account. Simply to remove it, tap on your Gmail account. And from here, you can simply tap on the option Delete Email from your Facebook account. After you tap on that, you'll be able to remove your Gmail account from your Facebook account, but you'll have to just also add a new Gmail account for your Facebook. This will allow you to protect your Facebook account. After you do this, you can simply remove your previous Gmail account. So this is the process. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.